Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. These brows, yes, these brows. New video on how I do my brows is live on my channel. Definitely go watch it if you are new here. My name is Erica, also known as Spiritual Stylist on YouTube. And if you aren't, welcome back. Thank you for watching another video. I'm such a perfectionist, I cannot. Anyways, y'all, let's go ahead and get straight into this makeup look. So today we're gonna go ahead and take the Juvia's Place Coffee palette. This palette is such a cute palette for browns, and today we're going to do a smoky brown look. So I'm going ahead and starting off with this brown shade here, and I'm patting that all over my eye, and then I'm going to just blend that out into my crease. You can take pretty much any brown that you like, but you want to start with a lighter brown because we are going to build that shade up. Bonnet Babe, yes y'all, Bonnet Babe was back today to make another cameo in this video. Okay, y'all know I do not like wearing bonnets in my videos, but sometimes I be having to because my hair was not done, and it was because my hair was braided up and it just was not done. So anyways, I went ahead and just took that same shade and I applied that onto the lid, and as you can see, that's how I'm blending it out here, just patting it down and then blending it out. I'm going to go ahead and go into a darker shade from that palette and just pat that onto my lower lid. And then we're going to take this, pat it and blend in circular motions. I did have to use a lot of shadow for this just because browns do tend to oxidize on my eyes, and your girl is out of her P. Louise days, and I need to order me some more. But I just haven't. I really have not. I really just need to order me some more. I wish I could just have it sent to me, child, but I gotta order me some. So that's what I did for both eyes. I just took that darker shade onto that lid and just applied it, and that's pretty much it. Then I go ahead and take my NYX liner and I just line my eyes. I have been using NYX, not this particular eyeliner, but I have been using this particular product since I was 14. I want to say I've been using NYX since I was 14, and honestly it has never failed me yet. I love it. It's so easy to work with. Obviously I've tried the Inglot eyeliner, but this one just always comes in clutch. So then I go ahead and apply my lashes off camera, and then I'm going into my e.l.f. primer. I do not know the name of this primer. I think this is Hydro Grip primer. I'm probably butchering the name. Oh, it's right there in the thing. Shabu. Oh my god, y'all. I'm taking my e.l.f. Power Grip primer. This primer, oh my goodness, I love it. It is definitely worth the hype. I know you guys have probably seen this all over TikTok, Instagram, all the socials. This primer is the bee's knees. I mean, it just clings to the skin and it clings to your foundation so perfectly. So then I just went into my foundation. I love the way this foundation looks on my skin. It does dry down a little bit darker, but we're just gonna go ahead and highlight that. Yes, I am using this super bright highlight. I am a highlighter girl. Okay, I like for my face to be brightened. I like for it to look super bright when I do my concealer, but definitely I always bronze it to make sure that it's blended in seamlessly. Y'all, I think I was watching My Strange Addiction, and the episode was the urine drinker. Now if that's your cup of tea, then all means, baby, do that. But for me, I was literally blown away. I'm like, what is he talking about right now? What? Like, he was saying that he took a bath in urine, he drinks the urine, he'll go pee in a glass and just drink. And I was just like, I cannot
I don't really drink water at all. I prefer not to consume things that don't come from living organisms. So I'll drink milk, I'll drink juice, I eat a lot of fruit, and I'll drink my pee, but I don't usually drink plain water.
The problem with that is that the kidneys need pure hydration, as in water, to kind of push.
My face, y'all. I was like, wait, baby, wait. So yeah, now I'm gonna go ahead and bronzing up my skin to make sure that it does look like my skin tone still. Ice cream truck. It's going past. Y'all, you know you live in California when the ice cream trucks be coming out at like 6-7 o'clock at night. Shabu. Anyways, so I'm going ahead and contouring my nose, taking that same concealer that I use for my face and brightening up my nose. I love this new technique that I have for my nose. I typically don't really try to do a lot on my nose contour because I don't know, I just don't be trying to look like SZA. It looks good on her. Sometimes she be overdoing it, but it looks good on her. And that's not for me to judge. She loves it, I love it for her. Next, so I did take a lot for the lips. I had a lip liner, two lip glosses, and a clear gloss to go on top. So I'm just taking my brown lip liner. I think this is Chestnut MAC. I think this is MAC's Chestnut lip liner. I will have everything linked down below just to be sure. And I'm just lining those, and I'm just lining my lips, and I wanted to do kind of like a pinkish neutral look today. I did forget to draw on my moles, so I just went back in and drew them in. And if you see me in person and you say, oh, you got a dot on your makeup, like there's something on your face, girl, it's supposed to be there. Please don't. But this is the look. Yes, I love it. See, the face looks blended. I know just a few seconds ago y'all was probably thinking that is too much concealer, but baby, it looks good. Okay, don't ever doubt the player. All you needed is a little bit of bronzer, and my skin does get a little bit light too during this time, so I do typically kind of try to go with my summer-ish winter shades. I do typically go with my winter shades for my makeup because my skin does get a little bit lighter, and during the winter my camera, I don't know what happened, but this looks so cute. I love it. Let me know what you guys think. I love this brown look. It's super cute, super everyday natural look. I think I just went out and I went to get some ramen with my friend, and this was just perfect everyday look. The lips were super natural, just a hint of pink. But let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, y'all.